this is the before. About 90% today. This is how it looks. I'm actually feeling hot. Do a lot of cleaning in the next few days. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Sorry, I look like a mess, but we are starting the vlog today because they finally finished the front yard as well as the pathway going out. So I'm gonna show it to you guys later on. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Where are you going?
I'm going in the school.
Why? Because you have a Christmas party. Yes? What are you wearing today? Who gave you this?
Tita.
Oh, did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Wow.
Jasper.
There, Jasper is there. Hi, Jasper. He's shy, right? Let me see your outfit. You have that, and you have this really cute bag.
The
Wow.
gold.
There's a gold? You have to dance, okay? So you will win some prizes. Alright, so I'll show you guys. Someone is currently working in the toilet, bathroom. I feel like you guys will be able to know that my voice kind of changed. Last night, I was having a hard time sleeping. Like in the middle of the night, I had to get out and just do a gargle with like water and salt. Oh, my throat was killing me last night. It was really, really bad. Anyway, this is how it looks. We have someone here working because we are going to retile the bathroom. There you go. So this is the tiles that I got the other day. The color is, this is the color. Let me show you. Ta-da! I decided to get gray because I feel like it's neat. And since we have pink in the walls, it would go with the color gray. We have here tile grout and a tile adhesive, which is heavy duty. So yeah, there you go. I got 35 pieces of this one. So I'll show you here. This is how it looks. Ta-da! So this is the before. There you go. Alright, so the toilet, by the way, is 5 by 7 feet. Yeah, I decided to retile it because no matter how hard I clean it, it still is very, like, it would look really dirty still because of the cement that was being used when we rebuilt the province house. It was like everywhere, and every time I tried to like brush it off or try to remove it, it's not gonna come off. So yeah. Hello everyone. So my sister and fam left because it's Scarlett's Christmas party. So it's actually Tuesday today and my sister is absent since she has to attend Scarlett's Christmas party. So I have Papa and the worker that's working on the toilet right now. Today is the second day that I am not feeling well, so we are going to check if I do have fever. Sorry, there's banging because he's tiling it. So I have here a thermometer that is, I think, isn't working. Are you working? Okay. So we're gonna put this right here. I think it's not working. And then we're gonna wait for it. I do have here Newzep, Decogen, Biogesic, and a bunch of lozenges. Mom got these all for me. yesterday. When I started not feeling well, I immediately took paracetamol, this one, and after that, I'm still like not feeling well. I'm having goosebumps, and it's just really, my nose is very clogged, and I'm having a hard time breathing through my nose. And I had a really dry throat. Like last night, it was so bad that I could not sleep at all. So yeah, I had to gargle. I was googling online how to, like, if there's a home remedy for it. So I did like a gargle with salt and water, and it did help, to be honest. I was able to sleep, and I was just really having these lozenges as well. So right now, I think I'm gonna take this Decolgen Forte. I'm actually feeling hot right now. I mean, let's see if, okay, it's 36.1. So I don't have fever. I think that's a normal temperature. I'll just take Decolgen for my nasal congestion. I do have a hard time swallowing tablets, by the way. Ever since I was a kid, I think mom made me used to just like doing it in liquid. But now that I'm adult, I have to do it like swallow it. I also cannot like swallow any tablet when I'm using a straw, so that's why, if you guys can see, I had to remove this one. Ta-da. I think that was good. And then I'm gonna have lozenges again because I still have sore throat. I just want to feel better. We do have a lot of activities coming. I also need to accompany Vingal for her wedding dress. So that's going to be happening in the next few days. I just want to be okay. Guys, so now I'll give you a tour of how the front yard looks like. So by the way, in this area here, the driveway, we had to add this patch right here because every time I go out or every time I go out or go in, it's gonna hit like this section. Can you see, like, there's that scratches because every time there's a truck that would come in and go out, it's really gonna hit, especially if it's a lower car like mine and if it's heavy. So yeah, that's one of the problem that we have. So we decided to add this, so hopefully it's not gonna hit anymore. Now if you guys can take a look, so yesterday they finished this one and then they just did this one this morning. So that's how it looks. There's like a curve from this, so it will go all the way there into the road, but this is how it's looking, guys. Hopefully I'd be able to like follow this one so that the car is not gonna be muddy, you know. So let's go inside, and if you guys can take a look at this right here, they just actually did this morning, so it's still a bit wet, but also we have to cut a bit of the gate so that it will be closed. I think my brother-in-law will cut it later on. And let me jump. Okay, now this is how it looks. So this area, we don't have cement, gravel, and sand anymore, so it's just gonna stop right here. Ta-da. I mean, it's actually fine because it's quite aligned with the pillar from the province house, so it's good. And this is how it looks. Wow, finally it's done, everybody. I know you had a glimpse of this section yesterday, I mean in the previous vlog, but this is the final look, I would say. Ta-da! I mean, look how nice it is now. So it's neat and clean now that it's concrete, so I love it. Hello, beautiful people. This is the next day, MJ, and I'm feeling a lot better. I decided to take a shower finally because for the last 2 days, you guys know I've been sick, and yeah, did a bit of makeup so that it will uplift my spirit. So yeah, I'm feeling about 90% today, though I still have a flu. I'm coughing a bit as well. My throat is getting better, so that's good. The lozenges and the gargling of like warm water and salt actually did help a lot. Anyway, right now, Scarlett and I are here in the house. My sis is working today, and my brother-in-law has something to fix as well in the bike, and Papa is with grandma's. So it's just Scarlett and I today, and Brownie. So yesterday, guys, you know that there was someone that was working on the toilet because I decided I want to retile it, right? And he actually was able to finish the retiling, and my brother-in-law just put the tile grout just this morning. So I'm gonna show you how does it look now. I'm quite happy with it because it looks really clean now. But before that, let's go here in the balcony, the messy balcony. Oh my gosh, it's so messy here. There's like stuff everywhere because they just finished the toilet. All right, here's the toilet, everybody. Toilet and bathroom. Ta-da! So I think I was able to show you guys the before. Yeah, I think, yeah. So this is how the toilet looks like. Ta-da! So as you know, I have 35 pieces of these tiles, and this is 30 by 30. And then we also have this drain, and yeah, this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it still has some white grout because it was just being done like a few minutes ago. So this is how it looks. I mean, I really like it now since it's still brand new, so it looks really clean, right? But I think the pink wall and the gray floor looks good. They complement each other, I would say. So this is how it looks. So the next thing that we are going to do here in the bathroom is that we are going to re-grout. Is that even a word? But anyway, we're gonna put grout here in the walls as well because yeah, there's some cement that was sticking into them when we rebuilt the province house. So yeah, this is how it looks. We are slowly done with a few touches here in the province house, guys. So I'm very excited because we are filming the house tour this weekend. So that's gonna be in the next few days. Ta-da! I'm really happy now that I know it's quite messy right here. We still have to, you know, fix all that. So yeah, there you go. Quite happy with my toilet. And then what else? You guys have seen already how the outside is looking. It's looking great. Yes? Hi! What are you eating?
Ham.
I got a package right here. This is a car cover for Ruby because as you know, last time Ruby was full.
Morning.
Morning. How are you doing today?
Good. Wow.
Are you okay? I finally got this. I went to Ayala last time to look for a car cover, thinking it would not cost me a lot, but fudge. It's like 3,000 pesos, but this one, I got this for only 500 or 600 pesos. I just ordered this online instead. It's hot. Alright guys, so I just really want to update you about what's happening now here in the province house. So first, the front yard is finally done, and the pathway outside of the gate going to the road is done as well, so that's good. Though I think we still have to wait a few days in order for me to drive on it. I think it is still wet in the bottom, and also we've not been having really good sun for the last few days, so yeah, we have to make sure that it's all dry before I drive on it. At the same time, the toilet or bathroom is finally retiled. Like, I have been wanting to retile it because yeah, it doesn't look good. Like, the floor doesn't look good because there's like cement everywhere. So yeah, by tomorrow, I think we still have 3 days before we film the house tour. So by tomorrow, I need to re-varnish the doors. So here in the front and in the back as well, I know a lot of you guys have been commenting about it to re-varnish it or get a screen door, but I think the screen door will not make it in time for the house tours. And yeah, we'll do a lot of cleaning in the next few days so that the house will be presentable at least for the house tour. So yeah, that's gonna be a second house tour. If you guys have not watched, by the way, the very first house tour that I did, it's got like 1.4 million views already. Like, what? I was not expecting that. That was so crazy. But yeah, anyway, this is the second house, and yeah, I'm quite happy that we were able to rebuild. Again, I'm always going to be very grateful to all of you for supporting me. Without you, I wouldn't be able to rebuild the house. Thanks for watching my videos. That really helped me a lot in this journey of rebuilding. So anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions, comment it below as well. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!